Hello everyone and welcome to the coding manual, and today I'm going to solve this problem. The ID is 766. It's Toeplitz matrix and it says we have to verify if the given matrix is the Toeplitz matrix or not, and it says like the matrix is Toeplitz matrix if every diagonal from top left to bottom right has the same element. Now, given M cross N matrix, return true if and only if the matrix is Toeplitz. Okay, so um, first I thought like I'll generate all the diagonals from bottom to top, and then I'll verify if those are the array we create. It has the same elements, but that was not the it was not that easy for me at least. And then so what I thought is my thought came like this: if I have this one, and this came from when I did some Google, and I found like there is a method available when we say to place and we pass a column and row. So we need to create it MATLABs. In MATLAB it creates a tuplage matrix with given these are vectors. Okay, row column and row are given vectors. So if I have given this vector in a column and this vector in a row, so mat MATLAB actually creates that matrix. So what it will do actually, it will do something. The next element, it will to populate this particular, like suppose this is ij. So to populate this mij, what we need to do is, since we know that every diagonal should have same element. So we know that we go one back up and one back down, and one back left and up, one back up and left. So this particular element for this block. Okay, so this matrix of ij becomes matrix of I minus 1, j minus 1. Okay, I minus 1. So this is kind of 0 0 1 1 2 2. Okay, so 1 0 and 1 2. Okay, so to populate this one we have to check for its diagonal element. Okay, so for each we'll check its diagonal element, and if they are not same we will return, I mean we can say that it's not tuplage matrix. Okay, so let's see in the code how we will do that. We have given a matrix, then I will traverse through for I in range of length of matrix, then for j in range of length of matrix of 0. Okay, if I equal j or j equal 0, we continue, else if matrix of I comma j equal matrix of I minus 1 and j minus 1, not equal, to that, so we return false, return true. range is not defined. Okay, submit. 6 months ago I have done it and it was 84 ms, 26% people, so it has gone too slow. So but this was the logic, what what came to my mind when I looked over the Google, and I found like there is this method available in MATLAB where it takes column vector and row vector and pop creates a Toeplitz matrix. So that's when I thought like for any element which is not in first row and first column, I have to look at its previous diagonal element and check if it is the same. I will have to continue. If it is not same, I have to return it's not the Toeplitz matrix. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Okay, so that's it. If you find anything or if you think there is a better way, please comment below and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.